Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to see recently deleted apps on the iPhone. So guys, first is you could just simply go ahead and delete a specific application. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and go for YouTube deletion and select delete, and pretty much the application will be gone. Now guys, to see the recently deleted apps, the best case that you have on the iPhone is by just simply going for the App Store, and pretty much over here, just simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then go ahead and go for the apps. And here on the apps, go for not on this iPhone, and you should be able to see your recently deleted apps that you have. As you can see, May 23, I have downloaded this specific application, and I can just bring it back by selecting the icon on the right side of the screen. And pretty much you will have other apps that you have used, and pretty much you should be able to have the list of application that you might deleted over here, or you could just simply utilize the search icon at the top and just simply search for the application that you just deleted, and should be able to download it back again. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.